Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bailey Daily Has Plans. In today's video, I am sharing with you my latest haul from the Wright Place Shop and Bubba Bear Studios. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so I recently, well a little while ago, won a raffle that Cheyenne was doing from the Wright Place Shop, and so these are some of the items that I purchased with my raffle prize. It was like a gift certificate to shop in her Etsy shop, and then I had placed a small little order here for some more disc-bound sticker storage items from the Bubba Bear Studios. So let's take a look at what I have here from the Wright Place Shop first. Okay, so let's start with some little freebies. Oh, this is cute. I love this saying. You can do hard things. I'm going to put this in Sophie's stocking. I always tell her that. This is one of my sayings for her. And then let's see. This is Rhiannon from Mama Replants. This is her freebie. She's on her PR team. AM routine, PM routine, this cute little floral box, some little coffee beans and a cupcake and mugs, laundry time. That is cute. Rhiannon 20 for 20% off on your order. So friends, use my friend's code there. So this is kit 4. I think it's mystery kit. Look at how pretty the blues are in this. For some reason, this reminds me of like June. I always think of my dad and Scott. So I'll probably use this for like Father's Day time, something in June. I love all the check boxes, the brushstroke date headers. Those are fun. Here's the full boxes. This is pretty. I love all the colors and patterns in here. This is the washi. I love this plaid. Cute floral. And then we have here kind of like the sampler sheet. To-dos. I love that. And then we've got some washi here, a box, and then just some appointment labels, decorative labels. And then look at how cute this one is. This is kit 56. I love this. Isn't that beautiful? I love that print. This kind of reminds me of my Happy Planner budget planner, like the one that I bought has little florals like that, kind of all throughout it. I love this green and the yellow, like the buttery yellow. How cute is that? So we've got date headers and check boxes. Gorgeous washi. Look at how cute this is. This is why I picked this. I love these patterns. And then we've got here kind of the sampler page again. Lots of scripts here, some washi, decorative and functional boxes. So super cute. So 2 weekly kits there. These will fit kind of like the standard weekly kit, like an Erin Condor and a 7x9, that kind of thing. So that's from the Wright Place Shop. And then the few things that I got from Bubba Bear Studios is I bought, let's crack into this first, because this has stickers in it. Isn't the bear cute? The bear is so cute in this. Okay, so here we go. I love it how she always customizes this. Hello, Christy. Isn't that cute? So these are some cute little freebies here, and tells you the SKU number, so if you want to look them up and you want to get more. It says here, what do ghosts not need in their house? A living room. That's cute. A little giggle for you. Here's a cute little cloudy sticker. And then let's see, thank you for shopping with us. Here's some more little freebies. Snuggle up, need caffeine, Thanksgiving, cute. Nauseous, aw, look at the little dress up. Read all day. And then I purchased some of these cute little like characters. I'm really starting to get into these characters. Like I did a big Coffee Monsters co-order, so I wanted to get some of her little bear cuties. Look at, oh, so angry, blowing his top. How cute. And then we've got here, this is sheet 1086. Oh, crying, celebrating. And then here I've got the divider labels, the different categories. Kids, transparent monthly school. And then this is planning time bear. How cute. And look, it's die cut around the little bear. That's so cute. So 2 sheets. Let's see, this is 271 and this is 272. So just different colors. This one's got colors in it, like you can see here, the color, and then this one's just more black and white. And then I purchased 2 covers. And what the crazy thing, friends, is I placed this order, and then I think I kind of forgot that I placed the order because I placed another order for basically the same, similar stuff, but I bought another album. And more of these. I love her divider tabs. So I'm taking all of these out of the packages. Okay, so here's all the divider tabs, and I've got these labels that I'll use for them, and then the covers here. So the reason why I bought this is because this is a book I made. So this is the release paper, like reusable sticker paper or release paper. So I've been putting some of my leftover kits that I want to keep, not the ones that I'm giving away, on here. And then I've also been doing like some of the icons and the scripts, like these are seasonal things. So just pieces that I like. Here's some boxes that I like, habit trackers. So I wanted to put together like kind of my leftover sticker type thing. So I bought these silver metal rings off of Amazon, and I got the cover here so I could make my own little like sticker book. Okay, so I have the covers on it. So I took this paper, it was like 8.5 by 11 full-size sheet paper, and I just took it to Office Depot and had them trim it down for me. So now I have all these great tabs where I could create just the different categories. And what I love about it being on the discs is that I can easily like move things around. Like I can do seasonal, or I can do, you know, like here's leftover kits, and then this will be scripts and, you know, that kind of thing. So you can just move sheets around rather than having them on a spiral type of book, because I was finding that I was like, oh, wait, that shouldn't be there. Like I should move this around, but that means I have to take all the stickers off. This little guy, sick day hair's falling off. So I really like the flexibility of being able to just pull sheets out. So I just started sheets anywhere in this book, and then I'll reorganize them, like I said, based on their category, because you can easily just, you know, like here's some deco, and I should probably put this with other deco, you know, and I can put them in, like this is obviously Christmas and Halloween, kind of fall, and so this is more spring-like. This came from a kit that I used for Easter actually, and then I can put like my little divider in here. So that's why I bought all of these different pieces here, so that I could kind of create my own sort of leftover sticker album. So super excited about that. How cute is that? So that's kind of it, just a quick little haul. I have some other stickers coming in from Saya Planning that I'll review once I get them from her, but I'm just gonna bring all these in so you can kind of see again what I got here, all my cute little Bubba Bears, and then my beautiful kits from Wright Place Planning. So there you have it, friends. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.